Hi from Navan PC. Today my small talk about hard drive vs SSD. Hard drive, it is a drive part of the computer where all our memory located. That's the SATA port and that's how it looks inside. It is a motor spins the disk and heads read the data. Okay, that's mechanical parts and it is very sensitive, especially for vibration or even fell down or something like that. Okay, and it is extremely slow in these days. Mechanical parts always slow. SSD, solid state drive, this one, look at that, no mechanical parts at all, the same SATA port and everything electronics. That gives you the speed. Before you upgrade your RAM or processor, whatever it is, always make sure you have SSD on your computer. That gives you second life for any of your old computers. That's what we do 20 times a day. If you have any questions, welcome.